Hello guys, in today's video I'll show you how to customize Instagram story highlights. To create cover, go to canva.com and search for Instagram story highlights cover. Next, click on all filters and select the option free. Next, browse through the templates and select any one. Next, click on customize this template. Next, change the text based on your needs. After customizing, click on share and then select the option download. Next, change the file type to PNG and size to 1080 by 920 and then download it. Next, extract all the files from the downloaded folder and transfer it to your phone. Next, open Instagram on your mobile phone. Next, select any reel that you want to add to your stories. Next, click on share button and select the option add to story. Next, click on share button. Now, click on add to highlight and then enter a name for your highlights and then click on add. Next, click done to create your highlight. Now open your highlight which you want to customize. Next, click on more option and then select edit highlights. Next, click on edit cover and select the import option and import an image that you want as your cover. Next, adjust the image size and position and click done. That's it for this video guys. Thank you for watching.